Chapter 05 Kural 03. Narrator, voiceover. Welcome back to our enlightening journey through Thirukkural, the ancient Tamil literary masterpiece. We delve into Chapter 5, exploring the profound wisdom encapsulated in Kural 3, teachers, God, guests, relatives, and oneself. It is important to nurture all these five in addition to the family. Host, greetings to all our viewers. Today, we explore Chapter 5 of Thirukkural, which emphasizes the importance of nurturing our family and our relationships with teachers, God, guests, and ourselves. Join us as we unravel the profound teachings of Thirukkural on holistic growth and nurturing. Chapter 5 of Thirukkural reminds us that our responsibilities extend beyond our immediate family. Thirukkural teaches us to nurture and cherish our relationships with teachers, God, guests, relatives, and ourselves, thereby fostering personal growth and a harmonious society. Let us delve into the profound teachings of this Kural and understand the essence of nurturing these five important relationships as envisioned by Thirukkural. Thirukkural emphasizes the significance of teachers in our lives. They guide us, impart knowledge, and shape our character. Nurturing this relationship involves showing respect, gratitude, and seeking wisdom from their teachings. Thirukkural's teachings remind us of the importance of nurturing our connection with the divine. Through prayer, devotion, and a sense of spiritual connection, we foster a relationship with God that brings solace, guidance, and strength to our lives. Thirukkural teaches us the value of treating guests with utmost respect and hospitality. Welcoming them warmly, offering comfort, and attending to their needs create an environment of goodwill and fosters meaningful connections. Thirukkural's wisdom reminds us of the importance of nurturing our relationships with relatives. Through love, support, and care, we create bonds that go beyond blood ties, enriching our lives and fostering a sense of belonging. Thirukkural emphasizes the importance of self-nurture. Taking care of ourselves physically, mentally, and emotionally allows us to lead fulfilling lives and be of service to others. It involves self-reflection, self-improvement, and cultivating a positive mindset. As we reflect on Chapter 5, Kural 3, we are reminded of the profound significance of nurturing our relationships with teachers, God, guests, relatives, and ourselves. Thirukkural's teachings guide us to foster holistic growth, strengthening the fabric of our lives and society. The host is surrounded by images representing the five important relationships. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through Thirukkural. May the teachings of this ancient text inspire us to nurture and cherish our relationships with teachers, God, guests, and ourselves, fostering personal growth and building a harmonious society. Narrator, voiceover. Stay tuned for more captivating episodes as we continue to unravel the timeless teachings of Thirukkural. Until next time, may your relationships be nurtured and your soul find fulfillment.